Good evening, everyone. Ndebanye kenekwamo ahamu Dr. Ogechi Sylvia Eze. That is, my name is Dr. Ogechi Sylvia Eze. I'm a general practitioner in the UK. I am a Nigerian medical graduate. I am a YouTuber. The content of my videos are mostly health education in English, as well as in Igbo language, Pidgin as well. Igbo language because I believe in the power of language. Language aids understanding. When patients understand, they are empowered in caring better for themselves. When patients understand the illness, they are better compliant and there is better cooperation. I call it the shared care between the physician and the patient. I see language as oxygen. Language is necessary for existence, for survival. It was Nelson Mandela that said, if you speak to me in a foreign language, you speak to my head. If you speak in my language, you speak to my heart. So the name of my YouTube channel is Health and Music with Dr. Oge. So I'll just go through a few of the videos I have done. I've done a video about glaucoma in Igbo. Glaucoma because it is, glaucoma.
So ihe ga-ekwu maka ya bụ aga m akọwata ihe anọ gbasara glaucoma. M ga-ekwu nke mbụ wụ ke ihe wụ glaucoma. Nke abụọ wụ ele symptoms ya wụ kedu onye nwere glaucoma, kedu ihe ndị ọ ga na-enwe onye nwere glaucoma. Nke atọ m ga na-ekwu okwu maka ya wụ kedu types of glaucoma enwe. Nke anọ wụ kedu ihe na-ebute glaucoma. Ọ dị mma ka anyị mara maka glaucoma maka na glaucoma bụ ihe na-ebute ikpu isi, blindness.
So that is it. Glaucoma is the silent thief of sight. If you want to know more about the video, please go to my YouTube channel. I've also got a video on bowel cancer awareness in Igbo language. I try to make my videos simple.
I
try to make it hilarious.
Dr. Ogechi Sylvia Eze. Taa aga m ekwu okwu gbasara kansa eriri afọ. Ya wụ kansa ahụ na-eme n'eriri afọ mmadụ. Ọ dịkwa mma ka anyị maa na eriri afọ mmadụ tụkwara ogologo, nwekwa different parts. Enwe parts a na-akpọ eriri afọ dị obere, nke wụ small intestine. Nwekwa nke wụ eriri afọ.
So I try to make my videos simple for everyone, both the Igbo speaking person in the villages, the Igbo speaking persons in the township, even the Igbo speaking persons abroad. Like I said, I also do videos in English. So as I've done a video in Igbo, I've done it in English, and I've also done it in Pidgin English, because I know that there are Nigerians, there are people who speak broken English, and they also need the education. The message needs to get to them. I've got a video here on urinary tract infection. I've got it in Igbo language.
Dr. Ogechi Sylvia Eze unanolaye. Taa aga m ekwu okwu gbasara ihe anyị na-akpọ urinary tract infections. Ya wụ infection na-eme ebe anyị si anyụ mamịrị. Ihe ahụ infection na-eme ụmụ nwoke, na-emekwa ụmụ nwaanyị, ọ na-emekwa ma ndị ntakịrị. Ihe m ga-ekwu taa wụ
Okay, so like I said, I've done that video in Igbo, and then I've also got it in Pidgin English. Yeah, so it's all about health education. Yeah, it's all about health education. So for example, this is I've got a video here on symptoms of dangerous headaches. I've done it in Igbo. I've also done it in Pidgin English. So it's all about understanding, and carrying people along. So for example, that's the video of dangerous headaches in
They call them red flags. I won't talk about this thing because many people they get headache. Maybe headache due to stress or headache due to other things. And you feel take paracetamol, you feel sleep, you feel eat. Because how hunger sometimes they cause headache. The headache will go. But he gets these symptoms when
So those are my...
When tell us say this is a dangerous type of headache.
Okay.
We supposed to go see our doctor urgently. We supposed to go emergency department if we get these kind of symptoms. And to talk about...
So, dangerous headaches. I've done that in Pidgin, I've done it in Igbo, and I've done it in English. And like I said, it's all about understanding. Thank you very much.